Here are 8 popular green sole chairs in 2026 and the kind of users they may suit. Let's start with one of the most popular models. It is the Jupiter Superb. This is one of the most well-rounded chairs in the green sole range. It comes with adjustable lumbar support, adjustable armrests, a headrest, and a reclining feature for different sitting positions. If you spend many hours working at a desk, this one chair is what you may want to check out. It has a professional look and offers several adjustment options. Now the next one is the Soul X. This is a compact chair and is often seen as a budget-friendly option from Green Soul. The design is simple with a mid-back structure and a basic rocking feature. For students, small home houses or compact rooms, it can fit in easily without taking too much space. Chair number 3. Now the next chair is the Monster Ultimate S. This chair has a gaming style design. It comes with adjustable armrest, neck support, lumbar cushion, and a recline that can be adjusted to different positions. If you want the same desk for office work and gaming and watching content, this type of setup may be useful to you. Chair number 4 is the Vienna. If you like a classic boss chair look, the Vienna is worth looking at. It comes with a leatherette style finish and a high back design. Compared to mesh chairs, this model focuses more on a premium office appearance. It can suit people who prefer a formal office setup. Chair number 5 is the Raptor 2.0. Now the Raptor 2.0 also follows a gaming style design but with a more office-friendly look. One feature many people notice is its deep recline. Along with adjustable armrests and a molded foam cushioning, it offers different sitting positions during the day. Chair number 6 is the Zodiac Lite. The Zodiac Lite has a different style. Instead of a bulky design, it uses a lighter mesh structure. The white and grey color combination gives it a modern and clean look. If you like a simple, minimal workspace setup, this chair may catch your attention. Chair number 7 is the Keiv Orthopedic. This chair focuses on extra cushioning and an executive style design. It comes with memory foam seating and a large lumbar section. People who prefer soft and well-cushioned chairs often like this type of design. And finally, we have chair number 8, the Green Sole Beast. This chair uses a mix of fabric and PU materials and comes with a wider seat. It sits somewhere between a gaming chair and an office chair. The design looks sporty while still fitting nicely into a work from home setup. So a quick recap. Jupiter Superb offers a good mix of adjustments and office styling. The Soul X is a compact and budget-friendly option. Monster Ultimate S and Raptor 2.0 come with gaming style features. Vienna and Keiv have a more executive or boss chair look. And Zodiac Lite stands out with its modern mesh design. Choosing a chair is a personal decision, of course. Your height, desk setup, sitting habits, and daily work routine can make all the difference. Hopefully, this quick overview helps you understand the options. I'm providing the links in the description. You can go check them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more office setup and tech buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.